Fabuloso Friday fam. Welcome back to my channel where we focus on living your purpose-driven dream life and building your profitable personal brand around your passions, skills, and unique gifts. Topics center around work from home opportunities and making money online. This is Lisa's voice clone. Today we're going to explore a powerful platform for affiliate marketing, YouTube. With billions of monthly active users, YouTube presents a fantastic opportunity to reach and engage with your audience. Let's get started. Begin by creating a YouTube channel that reflects your niche and brand. Optimize your channel's metadata, such as the channel name, description, and keyword tags, to improve its discoverability in search results. Create valuable and engaging video content related to your niche. Provide tutorials, product reviews, or informative videos that resonate with your target audience. Remember to incorporate your affiliate links strategically within the video and the video description. Leverage YouTube's features such as end screens and cards to drive viewers to your affiliate links and promote related content. Encourage viewers to subscribe, like, and share your videos to expand your reach and grow your audience. Ready to tap into the immense potential of YouTube for affiliate marketing? Join our community at Online Business App and access our YouTube marketing resources, including tips, strategies, and tools to help you succeed on the platform and generate affiliate commissions. Click the link in the description and/or comments to get started. Remember to subscribe to my channel and tap on the bell icon to get notified when I release new content. And please support my efforts by liking my video, by giving it a thumbs up if you got any value at all from it. Have a great weekend. Love you.